Hello class and welcome to ACLT 053. I'm so glad that you've chosen to join this class and I hope for a successful semester. To begin, you should go to the Getting Started tab, which is on the left side of the navigation bar, to get an overview of what is expected for this course and how to get through navigating through the course. You'll see my welcome. You will find important documents such as the syllabus for ACLT 053, which is a little bit different from the syllabus for English 101. You'll also see the ACLT daily schedule and the course description. In the learning modules, which is where most of the lessons and activities are housed, you will find an orientation module, which you should begin with in order to do the first things that are for the course and to kind of get familiar with what the course has to offer. This looks very, very similar, almost identical to the English 101 course, and if you took the online readiness quiz in English 101, you don't have to do it again. But I do want you to look at the syllabus. For this week in ACLT 053, you will be looking at the first module, the tech module, which you'll be also looking at in English 101. There are readings for the module. The readings are the exact same. It's what you're going to do with the readings that will be a little bit different. So for the Tech Learning Resource Week 1, if I click on that, you'll see that the articles are pretty much the same articles that you have found in English 101. However, for this particular ACLT course, I would like you to do slightly different assignments. So for the first assignment in ACLT 053 for the Tech module, you'll be taking Cornell notes based on one of the articles that you have read. And you'll go to assignments and you will take notes that way. You have the actual Cornell note assignment here. I'm going to open it so you can take a quick look at it. You will take notes, you'll save it in Word, and then you will upload it to assignments for me to look at. So again, you'll be reading all of the articles, but taking Cornell notes on one of the articles for this week, and you'll be uploading it to assignments. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.